Alright, so second video here, and my topic of choice is going to be, are Hot Wheels better than Kaido House? I've seen a couple different videos where people are talking about it and showing all these imperfections on these, and this isn't it to scale like it should be, or whatnot. But I'll give you my opinion, and you write in the discussion or in the comments below. You tell me what you think. But this is what my opinion is. On Hot Wheels, it says 3+, right? You got the 3+ right here. On the Kaido House, if I remember correctly, it is ages 14+. This is a collector's item. This is a collector's item as well. This is geared towards everybody. Whereas I think that this is something new that's happening. Like, like a lot of people buy JDM. Die-cast JDM is like a big deal. Especially now. And I think that Hot Wheels does a great job. And I think they do a great job. But my honest opinion on all of it is it's whatever you like. I like these Hot Wheels a lot. I think they're great. I remember my collection when I was younger, as a kid. And yeah, it's got a plastic bottom and it's pretty light, but they're made to take abuse and to be played with and to be thrown around. And plus they're just, to this day, there's something great about them. But yeah, that's just my honest opinion about it. Is it's whatever you like. It's your hobby. It's for your leisure. You collect what you want. You cut open any box you want. You unbox whatever you want. And this one's the Alfa Romeo GT5 or GT 6 3.0. This one right here. Yeah. GTV 6. But yeah, Mattel, they're not doing anything wrong. They've been doing the same. These things, they're made to take abuse, like I was saying. And honestly, you can't go wrong with either. But get what you like. Because I'm gonna get whatever I like. I'm not gonna always just be looking for treasure hunts or chase cars or this or that. I see something I like. It could be SpongeBob. It could be whatever. If I like it, I'm gonna get it. But I'm also gonna share with you and ask all of you what your opinion is. Do you like Hot Wheels? Or do you like these more? I guess it just depends on what you like. But to compare the two of these, it's kind of comparing apples to oranges. That's for sure. So, you get whatever appeals to you. I personally when I was younger, I saw Fast and Furious in theaters, and I couldn't get enough of it. And ever since before that movie came out, I was always a huge fan of Mustang. And it's because my grandfather worked for Ford. And, you know, oh, that's cool. It's really cool. But yeah, I always had a thing for Mustangs. And as I've gotten older, there's still a special place in my heart for them. But I don't even think I've bought any in such a long time. So this guy right here is your 1971 Datsun 510. Yeah, obviously comparing the two. Just the scale of this, the look of it, everything. Let's see, is the hood open on this one? So let's see what's going on with this one. So we've got, so this one does not tell you. Okay, so I guess maybe it doesn't do anything if it does not tell you. But I'm assuming maybe these, yeah, I'm not sure. If you own this one, put in the comments if you know if the door's open or anything like that on this one. But yeah, comparing the two, it's apples to oranges. It's whatever you like. I like both brands. And yeah, so there you go. That's my opinion. You tell me what you think. Get what you like. You know, you don't have to get what people want you to think it's better or has imperfections or anything like that. Like, no, you just get what you want. It's a hobby. I'm gonna actually start putting together some like dioramas and stuff like that, and actually maybe make some shorts or something with that. But yeah, I think this one's great. I really like this one. Yeah, you let me know what you think. I'm not going to tell you about imperfections. It's a die-cast car. It doesn't need to be perfect. But I will tell you right now, anything that comes in a box, I generally, I like that. I like having something like that. So to me, at my age, I prefer these, but I'm always going to look for these. And if I like one or the other, it doesn't matter if I like this car more than that car. I'm going to choose one or the other every single time. But yeah, like I said, you just let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think Hot Wheels are better than this, or do you think it's just a hobby? You know, like you like something, and if you like it enough, then you'll get it, or you'll save your money for it, or whatever you want to do, right? But yeah, this is really cool. I'll be making more videos, doing some upgrades. I have some stuff on the way, like a little bit of a better speaker and stuff like that. Tomorrow I'll be going to a couple dollar stores and a couple Walmarts looking for some Hot Wheels and see what I can find. But yeah, stay tuned for more and let me know in the comments what you think, and also if you have any suggestions on videos or anything like that. Thank you, everyone.